It's Saturday the 22nd of July. And I don't know if you can hear, but it's raining. And Hannah's gone out to get us breakfast at McDonald's. Man, I love this girl.
Hello!
Hello.
I made it!
I see.
I sacrificed a marshmallow on the side of the road.
Oh,
Sorry, Wellington, I littered.
thank you for that.
That's okay.
You're amazing.
It's actually quite a nice walk.
The problem that we've had with names
Shit!
is so
I
funny.
need it written down. Pahiatua.
Pahiatua. Yeah.
We are near Pahiatua and we're on our friend Bex and Adam, their property, their neighbours' property, where they're moving some sheep.
Yeah. Things that you do in New Zealand.
So they've got us all kitted out, got all the gear and no idea. Doesn't sound like us at all.
No, I don't know what you're talking about. So in a second, I suppose, we'll see the sheep come down from here, and we just need to keep guiding them into there and not down here. It sounds simple, but we're from the city, so let's not
It's currently
overestimate our abilities.
Look at all those chickens.
Having a cheeky nibble up the top there, eh? I'm getting what I can get while I can get it.
To do this on that honeymoon.
This is what we came to do on it. Just absolutely breathtaking up here, honestly. I mean, look at this, sun's just started to peek out.